literally how I feel right now. Hello, my name is Esme. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking on the video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Forever 21 and Hello Kitty collection for 2023. There's a lot of things that were on there that were Hello Kitty, but I am a Komaromi girl, so a lot of the things that I got were Komaromi and not Hello Kitty. Most of what I got was pajamas, bathrobes, onesies, comfortable stuff like that. There is a few sweaters that are in there, and there's like some press-on nails and these beautiful slippers.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
I'm gonna start off with the smallest thing. These are the Komaromi press-on nails, and the collection is called Hello Kitty and Friends and Forever 21, and I think they did it like that because it's not just Hello Kitty and Komaromi, it's also the other members. I think they have a few My Melody, and then I forget what the frog is called. And then obviously all of these are in plus size. I am a plus size girl, so everything in here is 0 to 2X, just depending on how big I wanted it. I might have to return some things just depending on how they fit. Sometimes I think that I need to buy oversized and then it's way too big, and then sometimes I buy my size and it's smaller than what I thought it would be. So the first clothing item that I have and that I unboxed just to look at it is a Komaromi onesie. It's super cute. It's actually like super heavy. I already opened it up a little bit. She is literally so cute, and I'm not gonna take the tags off because I might return some of these things. And this might be one of the ones I return. I'm not too sure yet, but let me show you how it looks.
You disrespect me. You disrespect my family.
Whore.
So obviously it's super cute. It has Komaromi and Komaromi's name and little stars and little lightning bolts all over it. It's really comfortable, so I might keep it, I might return it, not too sure yet. And then the next item is another Komaromi pajama set. So this one is a little tank top and I believe a little pair of shorts. They might be pants. I think they're shorts. This shit is so cute. You don't even know. Do I feel like these shorts could have been shorter? Yes. I feel like if these had been just a little bit shorter, they would have been cute-er. But this is still cute, I guess. And a little more comfortable for sleeping. Okay, and then just like this, the tank top and shorts for Komaromi. There is a version for Hello Kitty.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
This one's a little bit more of a like a knit material. It's not so much like this like stretchy spandex cotton material. This one is 1000% a keep. But I do suggest you only wear it at home unless you're comfortable going out with your nalgas out.
Now, nigga, what you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass.
This is so pretty and it's so comfortable, and I like this little border on the shorts, but they are very, very short. I'm pulling them down right now, but usually I would wear them all the way up, so they would be almost like underwear. If you are gonna wear this out, I do suggest maybe putting some undershorts or maybe some longer underwear, because it's really short if you pull it up. Let me show you.
Lord, I'm having a heart attack. Damn, this is some scary shit.
Just kidding, I'm not gonna show you that. Okay, and next is gonna be this onesie. It's a plush onesie, so it's made from that really soft, like plushy material.
Oh, dumb bitch.
Okay, I'm just kidding. These are actually the pants. The onesie is the white plushy material. The black plushy material are just a pair of sweatpants basically, but they're made of that, see that material? I don't know what to call it. So thankfully it does have pockets.
Clap if you care. All right, let's move on. Perfect.
It is so warm right now. I don't know why I decided to buy all of these very fluffy, very hot clothing items, but at least I'll look cute when it's super, super cold. Okay, now we're gonna do the onesie, the plush onesie, and it is My Melody. I don't know a lot about Hello Kitty. I did used to like Hello Kitty quite a bit when I was younger. I always go to the Sanrio store in South Coast Plaza back in California, but I've never really been into like the cartoon or any of the characters other than obviously Komaromi and Hello Kitty, and everyone knows who My Melody is. So this already on its own is so cute. So cute, right? Tell me what, bitch. Tell me what. Look at me. So cute. And usually I stay away from lighter colors, but I saw those bunny ears and I was like, I need to get it. Alright, and next, I believe this is just a bathrobe. I don't think that it's a onesie. Again, I just click and buy. But it might be a onesie, it might be a bathrobe. Let's find out.
My God, pull yourself together!
Another cute item. That just gets cuter. And now I have who's gonna tell me? I should buy a little Hello Kitty or Komaromi mug and just walk around like this.
What the hell?
This is literally so cute. Okay, and the next item is a sweater, a knit sweater. It's Hello Kitty and Friends. So it has the characters on it. And on the sleeves, I believe. Not Jesus Christ, but Dio.
Dio. Oh.
Dio himself has to take the wheel for how cute this is. What the fuck?
Take it like a salt shaker.
This is so cute. Why can't I be this cute? Give me a second. This is literally how I feel right now. This is literally how I feel right now. I just don't know what it is about this little sweater that makes me feel like such a fucking rock star. We're gonna do this sweater next. It looks like it has a similar vibe, but this is more of a cardigan than a sweater. Another one. Another one.
DJ Khaled.
Forever 21 got hits for us today. I think I'm gonna pair it with my...
Oh my God, it's worse than we thought. They made her emo!
belt and chain, which are also from Forever 21, but I've had these for like 4 years. I'm in my rock star era, nobody talks to me.
I'm spinning like a ballerina.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
You can even like unbutton it a little more. or if you want to be daring, chest out, whatever out. This is so cute. The belt. And last but not least, in the Komaromi selection and the Hello Kitty and Forever 21 selection is this My Melody and Komaromi collab. Two best friends.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
I feel so Tumblr right now. Like, I'm that like girl that like...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
This is so pretty. I feel like this could go well with a longer skirt, with a mini skirt like this, with some jeans, some shorts. Literally anything goes with this, even like a pair of stockings and maybe some like tiny shorts.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment.
Okay, and this shirt is completely unrelated to the Hello Kitty collection, but I did buy it along with it. It's a little off the shoulder top. It has these little clips. Oh. And I also got something that I have always wanted, which is a very long cardigan. So this cardigan does reach to the floor. Not the floor, but you know what I mean. I've had a lot of cardigans and they reach maybe to like right past my knee or like mid-calf. No, this one goes all the way down and I've always wanted something like that. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, all right, and that was it for my unboxing of the Forever 21 and Hello Kitty and Friends 2023 collection. Out of everything that I got, obviously the sweaters were my favorite. The embroidered sweater with all the characters on it, and I love the cardigan with the stripes, and obviously that big sweater with Komaromi and My Melody was to die for. I hope you beautiful, gorgeous people have a beautiful, gorgeous day. I'm gonna go drink something cool because I am sweating like a pig. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye!